Good morning, Matthew Bugli, County Solicitor. I just have one item for consideration by the board this morning. This is a fee agreement with Buzgon Davis Law Office pertaining to several cases which were ongoing before I became the County Solicitor at the beginning of January. Attorney Brett Wiest with Buzgon Davis had been handling several matters on behalf of the county when Dave Warner was the solicitor, and I felt, in consultation with the county administrator and in consultation with Attorney Wiest, that it would be in the best interest for him to just stay on and follow through on the representation of several of these matters. And the matters in which Buzgon Davis will be continuing as legal representative on behalf of the county are in the agreement as Exhibit A. I will note that one of the matters under the Board of Assessment Appeals has already been settled since this agreement was provided to me. Another matter, which it was item 2A, this was actually covered in Lebtown. That matter is presently under consideration by Judge Charles. So several of these matters are either nearing the conclusion or have concluded. So this agreement is just to finalize our scope of representation with Buzgon Davis and with Attorney Wiest. Obviously, as new cases are filed, I will be handling them on behalf of the county.
A question before I participate in the motion. Where did you get 12%? Banks aren't that high.
This was provided by Buzgon Davis. This is their standard. This was their standard fee agreement that they provide to all clients.
I was going to say there's an article. I think it was. I don't want to get the wrong paper, but one of the two papers represented Lebtown or Lebanon Daily News this morning, I think, and it said that the feds are not going to raise any more interest rates. They may even drop some. Mm-hmm. And it's like 12% seems excessive to me on a loan.
It's not a loan. It's a penalty if we don't.
Penalty.
It's a late penalty.
Yeah, this is.
Yeah.
But it still would be equivalent to a bank loan because they're floating the money. It seems like a lot of interest.
Well, they give us 60 days to pay, so if it means
Yeah, I mean, I don't think we'll
be into that.
I don't
Right.
either. I just look at that number and say
Yeah.
12% interest is awfully high.
Yeah.
Is there a motion?
Make a motion to approve.
I'll second the motion, and hopefully they would look at that again. I might just have been redone and not thought about.
Hopefully the bills will be paid on time.
That's right,
Private
yeah.
firm, they have a right to assess any penalty, and that's part of the agreement, and hopefully we'll never
That's
have to
correct.
even touch that.
As soon as the bill gets forwarded, we will make sure it gets forwarded to the controller's office.
Good to know. Any questions or more discussion regarding this motion? If not, all in favor, please indicate by saying aye.
Aye.
Opposed, same sign. So moved.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Right.
All right, Jamie Waldemuth, County Administrator. Good segue because I have some more attorney contracts here. These are existing contracts that we have agreements with two law firms